if you see society where things they work for there, now because those where the matter concern, they take the matter well. And that is why for Obodo Lagos, everything what they do for here, you they see say other states they always come to fit copy and paste. If waiting Lagos they do no be correct thing, or they make sense, I don't think say others go on copy waiting no they make sense. And so for even the materials testing environments for Obodo Lagos, talking about we built environment, Lagos they always stand there to make sure so we go fit get and right. Because if your citizens their life no dey precious to you, you don't go send whether they sleep for night good or not, and when house collapse, we all go come they run kitty kata kata trying to save lives. Where in the first place if for no even fall. All right, so now because of all this, make us they bring you materials testing matter. Where Lagos State Materials Testing Laboratory, they bring your ear every Monday 1:30 on the DOT. And today we get another package for you. You go feel learn, you go get educated, and at the end of the day, we all go fit sabi together. Say this now the thing to do and how to take go about them. Welcome to materials testing for this week. Micah Aruocha, my name. And on top of the show today, we get one big fish, if I go put on that way. Now, big fish it be. Like I take talk, for the first half, say the person where they join us today, don't be small at all. Like they go talk, the Yoruba level. In the permanent secretary, Office of Works, the Secretariat, Alausa, and they talk about architect Odusanya, Adebayo, Ayodeji. My PS, welcome to the show.
Good afternoon, MCS. Thank you very much.
We happy say you there here. And well, this afternoon we want to look the topic why materials testing be foundation of a building industry. We they call them built, environment for Obodo Yibo level. But if we go start this way, first off, what be the seriousness where Lagos State government puts on top environment, built environment, materials testing and all that? Because for you to come up for your office, come here today, it speaks a lot. Talk to us about that, Ogami.
Thank you, MC. Now, serious matter. We get to let everybody understand. See, now very serious matter. Lagos State government no take things play at all when it comes to people's lives. And from environment, where would they live? Now in government look say, if people they live for one environment, things get to day okay. We no fit play with any kind of built environment. When we take them like this, when you want start, you want build house, you go get land. Government get different agencies where go make sure say everything they okay. If you follow the process, the thing we say when we say process, I mean say to get land, you get government agencies we go look the land for you. To get approval for the way you want put on the land, government get agencies we go do it for you. When you want build, government get agency will go say, oh, now so you supposed to do, now so you supposed to do. When you begin build, government get agency where they look after. So every step of the way, as things they go, now government talk say, we not feel leave people make the just do anyhow. Because when the wala begin, like we talk when wala start, everybody go wrong, everybody go get affected. Not only person make a house. People where they get house problem too.
But architect, my peers, some people go come they look say, with all of this, you both they call them encumbrances, bureaucracy. Say they make the instead of you, I don't buy land. Why not just allow me build? After all, they use the right person will go help me drum my whatever and every. So why this level? When we take them, I say you don't buy land. You go through the correct process. You get your land. You do what you call soil test for your land. If you don't do soil test for your land, you know the kind of components where inside that land where you want build on top. You don't know. But some people go talk say our dad is there. Our dad is there.
I don't
drive before they born you and all those
MC, may I tell you, for one particular land, if you get two different types of soil.
For one particular land?
It did well.
Instance, for Lagos?
Lagos.
Give us some.
I will give you now for Lagos House Marina. Government house.
You dey lie.
We do soil test. We say, this side, soil, okay, this side, soil, no, they got to remove the soil, put new soil for if you build.
For real?
For real. And that's the problem. Wow. People they look say, no, government. No, we they do these things because it's necessary. And then I say, if you want build, of course, now shaking money if you compare to how much you want to spend for the house. Do the soil test. Know which kind soil you get for that place. Know which kind materials you go use. You go here now. Normal we don't know now. We just use raft. No worry. If the soil no good, Raf fit no work for there. Fit be say na pile if you use. Wey be short pile, long pile. If you don't do soil test, you no go know.
But the processes of the testing, run us through am. How easy? You be dey talk now say na chicken money. People no go know say e really dey chicken because they go believe say, oh, anything wey concern the processes of building, omo you got pay through your nose. Omo nile wahala dey too, and all of this.
Like I said, you don't acquire the land. You don't pass all that process.
I suppose come me to now before I acquire.
You get to go. You see person where they sell land. He say he get land where he wants to. You know, you go meet government. This. Shall not be said they want buy me.
On a government acquisition and all those stuff.
You get to verify. That's why I say government they open to all. Government office now working. If we say online now, EGIS where we just set up now, you fit get clarification, get verification for anything where you get where you want to do.
Okay.
So important say maybe they check. I want to do this thing. Government get it just where fit do am. Check for you. Say this. So when they look at bureaucracy now because you don't want to follow process. That if you want to follow process, you don't go take time. Government they always look for way to reduce the amount of time where we need to do anything. Take for example now 10 days for planning permit. They do them. But sure, you know what it take for you to get your approval. Once you don't get all those documents and everything complete, you can get approval. Now the same thing. So when they look say now how much be the money? Now where's the opportunity cost? How much be the cost of what I go lose if I don't do this thing?
Okay, well now pitching program and I like the fact say as permanent secretary you dey blow the pigeon too. That means you get your hand and leg for all this matter. You dey go site, go see things. And not be English you go speak for there. Now pigeon you go spark.
Not true because Baba assist where they site.
Yes.
You know big grammar where you want.
But then you go wear suits they speak pigeon.
No, when you go site you go they wear suit.
Okay, you go just like governor. When governor go they expect this thing with deputy governor polo.
You go face cap. You go there conform. You go conform. You go conform with what you go to do on site.
Okay, so we'll bring the matter home now. Materials testing matter now we get so when Lagos State Materials Testing Laboratory they bring every Monday like this. I want make you help us break them to person we no understand normally why materials testing they important in all this matter when we they talk about since.
Okay, as we talk I won't build. I don't get contractor. I get professionals in the first instance. Professionals. You get to get professionals. Once you get professionals, they go specify what you supposed to use for this your construction where you want to do. And when you get them, construction yourself in a process. We go dig, reach this level. After this level, we go bring reinforcement. We want to do foundation. Those items of reinforcement where you want to take use, you check the standard. Now the standard reinforcement, because when structural engineer don't design, say may you use 12 mm, may you use 16 mm, may you use 10 mm. How you take no say that the right thing that they use for your site? You don't know.
But if I don't come me to now, and when I talk say okay, now what you must use be this. What if I carry and go there? You know, as they church change people these days, and they carry 15, reach there, and they go to change them with 13 or waiting day. How LSMTL won't take help?
That's why I say if you invite us, invite us.
When I go to supervise routes,
we go tell you what you want to use before you use them.
Now yeah, they talk.
We go see them. We go say this one they okay. Carry on.
Good.
So if you get that one, you use it.
If those people can't short change in the process of carrying on, how LSMTL won't take help me?
When you don't do to a certain stage, there are processes where we will come back, come check.
Okay.
You do foundation, we go come check.
True.
Even if we no check, government agencies they say plenty where they do
routine check.
LABCA.
Yeah.
They come for
building control agency.
Building control agency. They come for inspections regularly. So at any point in time, if you try to change the change you from one stage, we go catch them somewhere. But the problem we always have is people know they want involve government in anything they do. Say, no, we don't want government wahala. But government wahala now to make sure, say, you dey okay for anything where you do.
Maybe we can look, you be give Lagos House Marina as instance now, say 2 soil be there, and say una got maneuver, one thing. So help us, the effects of this soil on the house where we build. So if sand where I carry come, you know say now, for this show, they don't teach me things. I know of destructive tests and non-destructive tests. So destructive tests now before I begin build the sand, all the thing I want to use build the 15 mm and every. But the non-destructive now house we don't do already. I can say you don't stay for 15 years, you don't do 10 years. So help me check. They'll come down. check all the things for him body.
You don't become engineer.
Yes, so associate. Thank you. So my question is this: if I can't bring soil, come on our side, when I can't check and say, okay, go ahead. And then I don't know say now 2 soils they there. How will fit play this game?
When you do soil test, soil test na samples. It depends on the size of your land.
Okay.
If you know
one plus,
you know if one place.
okay.
No, you don't fit take from one place. No. You don't fit take from one place. Say you don't do from one place. Random.
Okay.
So the possibility it there very very slim, but it's possible. That's why we say start do them. If you don't do them at all, but if things like that come up, once you don't begin to do excavation, when you say begin dig, it will begin show small.
Make we lose some kind of soils where people they come out eye from.
Maybe we look
where they make house collapse later.
Maybe we look at. You see, I can make example now. For some areas for Lagos, the soil no good, get clay. Some areas na sand, some areas na rock.
Rock. Like Ikorodu na rock.
Some areas of Ikorodu, like this place for after Agric.
Okay. Okay, back.
Okay, towards
Itamaga. Yeah.
No, Itamaga no be.
Okay.
For Agric side going towards the Lagos Badon.
Okay.
Shower side.
Okay.
Those ones rock, serious rock formation. Go for those sides.
I don't build on top rock.
If you build up anything, but the point we say, all those soils they get their different components. Some get salt inside, serious salt. Some get chemicals. Where we say if you not, those things go react with whatever you want put inside them. So if you don't know the components of the soil where you want build inside, now you don't start with the from day one.
Wow. Any difference there when you sabi waiting the soil carry on my building, or not to pour chemical on top to the chemical
the chemicalizer?
Exactly. Now my grammar.
No, nothing like that.
So what will be the difference?
Different kinds of foundation day for different kinds of soils.
Okay.
Because when you do
how deep it go?
When you do the
9 inches, 7 inches.
Because you go know the depth where we say we call them bearing capacity. Where we say the building go fit stand, you know go shake. If you see buildings where they bend from one side bend, it means say we call settlement, uneven settlements. The kind of foundation where they use, they know sure. So one place the load if you carry them, maybe at that level where they stop, the bearing capacity for one side, they okay. For other side, they okay. So that's why you see them where they bend. But if you don't do that test, you don't know which kind of foundation you want to use. And when you say you want to know the foundation, you also go to the kind of materials where you go use. When you say you do such a deep foundation as in your piling, whether in a short pile or whether a long pile, you don't know. The enforcement you go use, it go there. The kind of concrete where you go use, the mix, it different. Every single thing they're different depending on the kind of foundation where you want to use. And that's at the beginning of everything. If you miss out from foundation, believe me, nothing where you feel the way.
No wonder the good book big talk say if the foundation be destroyed, what can the materials testing people do? All right, guys, in case you just tune in, you listen to Materials Testing Matter, where Lagos State Materials Testing Laboratory they bring come your way every Monday 1:30, go reach 2 o'clock on the duty. And this afternoon we get my Oga at the top for Permanent Secretary, Office of Works, the Secretariat, Alausa, Architect Odusanya, Adebayo, Ayodeji. And this afternoon we will look at materials testing, how we take be the foundation for we building industry. You say if you join the yarn 0915 387 7127 0915 387 7127. That question went under your mind to ask, the guys at the top, you want build house, the area you want build them, how to go do your check-in, how to call them for the testing and every other thing. You feel ask your questions this afternoon, or better still make you send WhatsApp message 0809 912 0777 0809 912 0777. And for the 0915 number, you feel still send text message join, like there's some where I don't get here already. All right, Ogami, this one they asked from Shegun. He saying day for Ikorodu. He said, well done, my PS. I beg MCIs, help me ask, what will be the processes for this testing matter? How person fit take go about them, and how much it cost? For you talk,
we don't go fit talk
the amount.
But like I say, you get your area, you get the the property, you get the place, you get everything where you want to do. Reach out to material testing lab. They get online. Everybody there online, get phone now. Go on website. They get their website. Everything there. Go on.
Even toll free line.
Everything. So go there. Just ask what you want to do. They go give you information. That information, because maybe the work up and the work and life don't easy past that one. You won't know the cost. The cost will depend on what kind of test you want to do, which kind of line you get. They go give you details of everything where you want to do for them.
So anything where I want build, I must test the materials first.
It's very important.
Even if na bungalow.
That one was pass because everybody take small eye look here na bungalow.
Na bungalow now.
Everything get weight.
They carry load.
It carry load.
How?
Wall na load. Your roof na load.
Well.
Everything.
But
that's where you go put inside your house na load.
Okay, me now all this new roofing below do all those years of asbestos and pan.
No, na load. Na load. Everything na load.
So load is load.
Load is load. You put it on top of scale, you go read.
For real. Okay. So make we come look. These things, all this materials testing level. Some people they think say, well, I beg you, government just want to use them and make money. Now, how did they take them outside Obodo of the world? Shall na international standard or not just Lagos? They say no, it has to be like this. Because if you go other states, now just let my people go.
Lagos, na international standard. We know they take ourselves look at others. Others they can't copy from us.
True.
So we too they always raise our standard. Any opportunity we get, we they go outside, we go see say how they take ground for Obodo Yibo. Or you wanna go say if it go do anyhow. No, they not go allow anyhow. Even some things where we say, we never get to that level. We they push to get to that level of say, when we won't do anything, everything get process and procedure. You must do this, make sure this is okay, that is in place before you start. You don't just start and say, no worry, government won't make money. Not be money matter. Because when the begin starts, God not gonna allow us see we don't get too many collapse.
If begin happen, at what point government they take over the land?
Once the building collapse
by itself,
automatic.
But agencies they go round tell you say come out this building it don't they dance so people na come out there.
People know they listen.
Yeah.
They when you go there seal place, we don't see areas where we seal.
Like the one we happened for Oshena Ogbabi Agege last time.
People go come out and say government they're not serious, they want to disturb me. No. Now for them sake.
Because economy, we know as they take dance. People pocket no cheap.
MCIs. We won't take life. Measure economy. Now people suppose they look at life first of all.
But now if you do it for me on credit, I go pay later.
No, you know when you want build house. When you look at this example, when you want build something now, we not going to say Baba Lassis give me say I need 100 bags of cement. Quick, you go to give her 150 bags. Say in case you need more.
Okay.
Government say maybe look at this thing. We do this one before you go give Baba Lassis money. Now we they talk. Nobody say government don't want you progress.
Okay, Elder Baba Femi from Agege say well done PSO. I beg, what do they do for builders when no comply with all of this? Any punishment for them, or not just advocacy, enlightenment?
No punishment there for different categories. When we seal up, and you go back there.
If I just they build?
You just they build.
Okay.
You not get all your papers complete. You don't do anything. Wait, government say do to ensure say everything they okay for that side. No, we don't get any wahala. If you don't do those ones, if we seal you up, if anybody go back there again, when we catch the person there, it go face the law.
But some they do big man now. I know the governor.
No,
I know the PS.
I sure say nobody for government will say when you continue. Nobody. Make the person come out talk say they say I don't see Oga or I know Oga. Oga go tell you say go do the right thing.
So now the challenge we get, Lagos they divided for 5 divisions. Ibile, we get the Ikorodu, Badagry, Ekpe, Lagos Island, and where again? Where be the last one? Ikorodu, Badagry, Ikeja, Lagos Island, and Ekpe. Exactly. I be called Ekpe for the first one. So LSMTL do all of these places, and LAPCA where you mentioned then. Which other agencies they with una when are they follow do all these ones apart from only LSMTL?
Government no fit there everywhere, but we dey try. We go get for each of those zones where you just
divisions
okay. Where you mentioned just now. We go there, but as we get sister agencies, everybody they work together. We get LASPA, Planning Permit Agency. we get Safety Commission, we get LAPCA, Building Control Agency.
Okay.
All these people, they work together.
Okay.
So if you say something, you go tell me. If I see something, I go tell you.
They did the same WhatsApp group.
Everybody did that exactly the same WhatsApp group we did. And not be only them. If me say they come out, they go outside, and they see something, say, GM, I see this one. I fit take picture, send them. That's why we don't do responsive now. Very, very responsive to all things now. That's how government they take operate.
Femi, as we dey go, Femi be send this message, but quickly make I run through as it take be. Be they ask say, wetin be the process after person buy land or before person buy land to fit run through all of this? Maybe in 1 minute.
that process, you buy land.
Before you buy land,
you go see person they will give you survey or something. Say, this land they available. That land, go land registry, check am. It they free. Who get them? EGIS, all this, if you check those things from government.
Okay.
When you check those ones, at the beginning of the thing with that. So after you don't confirm that, say, okay, this land they available, you buy them. Mind you, I thought say you don't get survey already, or you get survey, they don't give you survey. After you don't get that survey, you don't confirm, say the land they buy. You can't get professionals. You will get architect too. Even you fit so make sure say the survey when they give you. Now register surveyor do the thing. Where we say you get stamp, everything they authentic.
Okay.
Once that one don't correct, you will now get all the professionals where you need. Architect, engineers, I don't say engineer, structural engineer, electrical engineer, mechanical engineer. Even if you take quantity surveyor, when you take know how much the thing will cost you, you go fit use and plan as you want to execute this build the house.
Okay.
Once you get all those things, they go prepare all the documents for you. All those documents you prepare, now you go meet LASPA.
And they don't go tear pockets.
Nothing they tell. If you look,
you know, sir, they represent my people out there.
Me say I be part of the people. If I want to do something now,
you'll be at the top, sir.
If you want to do something, maybe they look at the cost. The cost of the cost.
It's better to do them right now than if they get happen, government will take your land and then you go lose even a lot. And people will die. We cannot return lives.
And life.
Sacrosanct.
Life is the most important thing in all these things.
Wow. Well, the phone lines they bought, but man, time no be our friend. We got go. Ogami, you got come back. I don't know as you go take to I go follow Director of Public Affairs and beg our GM with the studio too, Madam Olayinka Abdul, to fit make sure say you go come back. But hey, if you want to follow LSMTL relate, just on top Instagram at LASG_materials testing, for X LSMTL_LAG, for Facebook LSMTL Ojodubeja Lagos. If you want to call them, you feel call 080 000 LSMTL. That now 080 000 57685. Now for WhatsApp, or you call them, they go feel reach out to you. Ogami, your advice to Lagosians as we come out.
I beg, when we do the right thing, the right thing I be say to get in touch with government agencies for any kind of development where you want to do for built environment. God will save us, maybe they save ourselves too.
Amen.
Thank you.
All right, Architect Odusanya, Adebayo, Ayodeji, and our Permanent Secretary, Office of Works, the Secretariat, Alausa. Now we don't follow relations on top materials testing. Next week, we go come back with a bumper package also. But hey, I must say thank you to the General Manager, Lagos State Materials Testing Laboratory, where they here too, Madam Olayinka Abdul, will be make this one happen. And not forgetting Director, Public Affairs for that same agency, Salehu Bade. Abimbola. We do this again next week, God willing. Until then, stay safe, do the right thing at all times. Make Lagos for prosper all of us. At M-Size Water everywhere you go. And big shout out to all the interns who follow me walk. I live now with this one, Salty Soul, Brighter Days.
And brighter days are yet to come.